How do you feel about the earthquake, sir?
That's right. The earthquake?
Yeah.
Well,
How do you feel?
what do earthquakes and terrorists have in common? They both suck.
Excuse me, sir? Excuse me? Hey, I have a question for you. How do you feel about the recent earthquake?
Earthquake! I've been hunting earthquakes. For 3 weeks I've been hunting this earthquake. I've been following it. I'm on its tail. Oh, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get this earthquake. When my mama was pregnant with me, an earthquake happened. 8 years later I was born. Born to hunt earthquakes. And I've been doing it ever since.
Sir, are you alright, man?
You're one of them! You're one of them!
You know, never actually been awake for an earthquake. But, oh heck, that rhymes. I should be a comedian.
How do you feel about earthquakes? You can't what? Oh, alright, alright. Did you get affected by the earthquake any way, anyhow?
Me personally?
Mm-hmm.
Well, yeah. It blew all 4 wheels off my house.
Excuse me, sir, how do you feel about the earthquakes?
Not much about it. I mean, as long as it doesn't interrupt my stick twirling, I'm okay with it.
You're stick twirling.
Yeah, watch me go.
You've got a skill.
Yeah, that's right.
Whoa.
That's my stick twirl.
Now, these numbers I'm about to tell you, they might be wrong. That's probably like a 75% chance, 25% chance they're right. But since the year 2008, each earthquake, each one after another, they've gradually gotten worse and more severe each time. Now, I've done a lot of thinking on it, and there's only one logical explanation for it. Obama.